Secretary to Cabinet and Head of the Civil Service, senior government officials, Governor of the Central River Region, district chiefs, Alkalolu, and religious leaders, esteemed development partners and guests, community leaders, ladies and gentlemen. It is my profound pleasure and honor to preside over this important ceremony, marking the handing over of modern agricultural production and processing equipment to our farmers under the Gambia Inclusive and Resilient Agricultural Value Chain Development Project GIRAF. Funded by the World Bank and the government of the Gambia. This event is not merely a symbolic gesture. It is a concrete demonstration of my government's unwavering commitment to achieving national food security and self-sufficiency. At the core of our development agenda is the transformation of agriculture from subsistence-based production to a modern, resilient, and commercially viable sector capable of feeding our nation and driving economic growth. Ladies and gentlemen, the government recognizes that mechanization is indispensable to this transformation. For too long, our farmers have relied on labor-intensive methods that limit productivity, constrain scale, and discourage youth participation. Through initiatives such as GIRAF, we are deliberately investing in labor-saving technologies that reduce hard work, improve efficiency, and enhance output across the agricultural value chain. The equipment being handed over today comprising mini combine harvesters, power tillers, rice threshers, maize shellers, and milling machines represents a strategic shift towards modernized agriculture. These tools will not only ease the burden on our farmers, but will also enable timely land preparation, planning, harvesting, and processing, thereby significantly increasing yields and overall productivity. Equally important is our focus on reducing post-harvest losses, which have over the years undermined food availability and farmer incomes. By investing in harvesting and processing technologies, my government is addressing inefficiencies that lead to waste and ensuring that more of what is produced reaches our markets and consumers. This is a critical pillar in our quest for food self-sufficiency. Ladies and gentlemen, the GIRAF project continues to play a pivotal role in strengthening our agricultural systems through the production of climate-smart technologies, improved seed systems, and digital advisory services. These interventions are aligned with our broader national strategy to build a resilient agricultural sector capable of withstanding external shocks and ensuring sustainable food production. Let me take this opportunity to express my government's deep appreciation to the World Bank for its continued partnership and support in advancing our development priorities, particularly in agriculture, which remains the backbone of our economy. I also commend the Ministry of Agriculture, the Central Project Coordinating Unit CPC, and all implementing partners for their dedication and the progress achieved under the GIRAF project. Your efforts are instrumental in delivering tangible results for our farmers and our nation. To the beneficiaries, I urge you to take full ownership of this equipment, maintain it diligently, and utilize it not only for your benefit, but also in service to your communities through cooperative approaches. Mechanization must be shared, scaled, and sustained to maximize its impact. In conclusion, let me reaffirm that my government will continue to prioritize investments in agriculture, particularly in mechanization and value addition, as we pursue our national goal of food security, reduce import dependence, and economic resilience. I thank you all for your kind attention.